In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Midjourney app on Android. To begin, the first step is to open the Google Play Store on your Android device. This is the app store where you can find a variety of applications for your device. You will see a colorful icon on your home screen, often resembling a shopping bag with a play button. Tapping this icon will take you into the Play Store, where you can access thousands of apps. Make sure your device is connected to the internet to avoid any issues while navigating the store. This step is crucial because it sets the foundation for downloading the Midjourney app, which is essential for accessing Midjourney on your Android device. Next, you will need to search for Midjourney. Once you are in the Google Play Store, you will notice a search bar at the top of the screen. Click on that bar and type in Midjourney. As you type, suggestions may pop up below, but make sure to find the official app. This app is specifically designed to integrate with Midjourney. Finding the right app ensures that you will have the correct tools to create AI-generated images efficiently. This little step saves you time and ensures you are on the right track. After you have located the Midjourney app in the search results, it is time to tap Install. This button is usually located right next to the app's name and icon. Once you tap it, your device will begin downloading the app. You will see a progress bar indicating the download status. This process might take a moment depending on your internet connection speed. It is important to wait for the installation to complete fully, as this makes sure the app installs correctly on your device. With the installation complete, the next step is to open the app. You can do this by tapping the Open button that appears after installation or by locating the Midjourney icon on your home screen or app drawer. Tapping the icon will launch the app and bring you to its main interface. Opening the app allows you to begin the exciting journey of creating AI-generated images. You should see a welcoming screen that introduces you to the app's features. Now you will need to sign in with your Midjourney account. If you already have an account, enter your credentials in the provided fields. If you don't have an account yet, you may need to create one through their website. Signing in is crucial because it links your Midjourney services to the Midjourney app. This allows you to access your previous works and utilize the full capabilities of Midjourney. You should see a confirmation message once you are signed in, reassuring you that you are ready to start creating. Finally, you can start creating AI-generated images. Once you are logged in, explore the app's features to begin your creative process. You might see various tools and options that allow you to generate images based on your preferences. Remember that a limited trial is available through the Midjourney app, so take advantage of this opportunity to experiment with different styles and ideas. This step is where the fun begins, and you can unleash your creativity with AI. With these steps, you are now equipped to download and use Midjourney through the Midjourney app on your Android device. Enjoy your creative journey.